Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. Let's get started. Now, here's something important to know right away. You can't redeem a gift card using the Roblox app because the option simply isn't there. Instead, you'll need to use a web browser like Safari, Chrome, or any other browser on your mobile device. Open up your browser and go to www.roblox.com. Once the page loads, you'll see an option at the bottom that says Continue in browser. Make sure to tap that because if it takes you to the Roblox app, you won't be able to redeem your card. After continuing in the browser, sign in with your Roblox account details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Roblox homepage. Now look in the top left corner. You'll see three little lines, also called the menu button. Tap on that and then from the menu, select gift cards. This will open up the Roblox gift card page. Here you can buy gift cards if you'd like, but since we're redeeming one, look at the top of the screen and tap on redeem card. That will bring you to the redeem page. Here, just type in the code from the back of your Roblox gift card. Every card has a unique code, so make sure you enter it correctly. Once you've done that, simply tap on redeem, and that's it. Your balance will be added instantly. If the gift card gives you Robux, the Robux will show up in your account. If it gives you a virtual item, it will appear in your inventory right away. And there you go. That's how you redeem a Roblox gift card on your mobile device using a web browser. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.